We've got Bloomberg's Malathi Nayak with us, who's covering this trial day in, day out for us. And Malathi, before I start asking you about the UK, just dwell on what's happening in the United States right now, because it felt like you'd already called it, that the judge seemed to be erring towards Microsoft and Activision.
That's right. We did see in the last round of questioning by the judge that she was really asking the FTC for a lot of evidence that they were unable to sort of come up with in court. So today we have a ruling where the judge has denied a preliminary injunction, which is basically a request by the agency to block the deal while its longer, challenge to the deal is pending. But as we've seen, something similar happened with Meta and Meta's acquisition of Within, and that deal was also sort of a loss for the FTC at this stage, and the FTC backed out. So it's possible that the FTC will back out because there is an administrative sort of a court case that the FTC still has pending against Microsoft, a sort of internal court case that's going to happen in the next couple of weeks.
OK, so it's not a foregone conclusion, but we anticipate, and certainly the market anticipates, that it's more likely to get done. Ultimately, how much of a knock is this to the FTC? As you say, they seem to be trying to take on really tough cases here.
Yeah, this has been a big test for the FTC's ability, especially when it comes to challenging big tech M&A deals. They really needed this win, especially after what happened. This is coming, just very close in the, on the heels of what happened with FTC and FTC's challenge to Meta and Within. So it just seems like, even in speaking with a lot of folks who were in court, the merger arbitrageurs, they were very, very closely watching this case because I think they were interested in seeing where the FTC might go moving forward. Is the FTC actually bringing some cases which are leading to this sort of losing streak? Do they have to sort of think perhaps carefully about battles that they want to sort of enter and sort of win? So we'll have to see what happens next in terms of FTC moving forward with other deals. But we've seen already, Chairman Lina Khan, she's just been one of the most aggressive trustbusters we've seen in the US in decades. So we'll have to see what the FTC decides to do next after this particular ruling.